Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to keep my home smelling good. Because I live in a studio apartment, smells are very important for me. I know the smells from what I'm cooking or even the trash can go around. I wanted to share tips, tricks, and hacks to make sure that my apartment smells good. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone you think would like it. Tip number one is pretty popular, and that is to use a candle. Especially after dining, I like to use my candle on the dining table just because it helps alleviate the smell of food. What is more, I've recently learned that when you have a candle, it is better to use a scissor that is made for the candle and also a candle sniffer. This way you are prolonging the life of your candle. I also like using my candle throughout the day when I am chilling, reading a book. This is a really simple way to make sure that my home smells good. Tip number two is my incense burner, and basically if I'm not using my candle, I am using my incense burner. Actually, let me know in the comments down below if you have a candle, an incense burner, which one you like better. I've got that tip from my mom, and that is to close the door of the kitchen while you're cooking and to make sure that the windows are opened as well. Plus, if once you're done, you're putting all of the food away in the refrigerator, that's even better. A big part of my morning routine is to actually have all of my windows opened in the morning. It's weird, but just like I like to wash my body and my face in the morning, I feel like opening the windows is that equivalent for my apartment. Plus, it is also great because you're definitely making sure that you start the day with fresh air inside. This one is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, cleaning your home is amazing to make your apartment or house smell good, whether it's cleaning your dining table, hovering, or even spraying your pillows. All of this helps your home smell good. This is definitely something from my childhood again, and that is to keep your shoes in the entryway, literally near the door. And I do that if I'm about to go out, but if I know that I'm not leaving my apartment for the rest of the day, then I put my shoes away in the compartment right under my bed. This one is a little weird, but one thing I do if I've been out of my home for a couple of days, I like to know what my house smells like when I'm back, because I think that because you are at home a lot, you don't necessarily know on a daily basis, so that's a great way to assess. Once again, I'm probably being Captain Obvious, but washing your clothes is definitely part of what gives your apartment this fresh smell. Obviously, if you have any clothes that smell, it's important to have them either in the washing machine or at least in the basket for laundry. A lot of the detergents I love are definitely not great for my skin, and I am trying to transition to detergents that are more natural. This is definitely an ongoing process. Finally, I like to pick smells I like for my home. That is to say, whether it's laundry smells or even just like cleaning products, I make sure that I like these smells, which means that anytime I do anything in my home with them, then my home will be filled with a smell I enjoy. So that is it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something, or maybe you have a hack you'd like to share. Please let me know in the comments down below. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, then please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone you think would like it. Alright, that is it for me today, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye!